How to make your home look like you hired an interior designer. You can do it. Here's how. Top 7 color trends forecast for 2022 in your home from well-known paint companies. Number 1. The Timeless Stone Blue by Farrow Ball. And Dulux's Bright Skies are the most on-trend blue colors in 2022. This warm and timeless blue may be utilized alongside other warm tones to create an inviting, vintage aesthetic interior like the 18th century's vibes. When matching this shade with other simple and cooler tones or more recognizable colors will have an amazing result with a contemporary feel and look. Number 2. Bright Skies. The promising blue shade. This light and airy shade give any room a new lease of life. When customers apply this tone on their ceilings, it will be a game changer. It makes the ceiling melt away. This color is both uplifting and light, as well as relaxing, familiar, and appropriate for a happy sanctuary. The aftermath of the pandemic affected Dulux's choice, with many of us yearning for independence, growth, and a return to nature. This color has the potential to become the new gray, signaling a shift away from neutrals and toward color. Number 3. Babush. The bright yellow color. Brighter colors, which indicate a return to normalcy, will be welcomed in 2022. The cheerful and straightforward babush is ideal for embracing this, vibrant without being garish or dominating. This hue of yellow is defined as subdued sunshine. Despite its brilliant hue, it isn't excessively bright or overwhelming, making it ideal for a bigger space where its cheerfulness would be amplified. When it comes to decor, go for more minimalist partners like simple line designs or subtle brilliant colors. This buttery yellow can assist to brighten an area with limited natural light, and it pairs well with a delicate blue or a soft pink or red on the color wheel. Number 4. Breakfast Room Green. A bright and cheery color. The brightest of Farrow Ball's greens, named after east-facing rooms suited for lazy mornings spent like eating breakfast with the rays of early morning sun. This gentle hue recalls the natural environment to which we've frequently gone throughout the pandemic. During the lockdown, many of us spent a lot of time reconnecting with our gardens and rediscovering our love for nature. This shade goes well with plants, whether they are shown in art or are real, and would help to produce a sense of well-being in the home. Combine this color with stone blue for a comforting aesthetic impact. Number 5. Incarnadine. A soothing red. Incarnadine is a rich, warm, and comforting hue. This color combines traditional red with the vibe of the laid-back Mediterranean. This color would look fantastic with warm color or wood materials and rustic gold accents. Alternatively, mix it with a bright white hue to give it an intense feel. Combine this glossy tone with a monochrome palette for a more contemporary look, or go for extravagance with plenty of velvets, deep forest greens or shade of blues, and classic antique furniture for a more opulent look. Number 6. Schoolhouse White. The new neutral. Schoolhouse White, a soft, off-white tint, is designed to seem white in a shady environment. This shade conveys the nostalgia of ancient schoolhouses by being muted, ageless, and soothingly familiar. This shade would go well with almost any other color due to its grounded, plain hue. It's difficult to go wrong with this shade of white as a backdrop for dramatic, large-scale artworks or even vivid, statement rugs. If you want to combine different 2022 color trends, this hue will boost the strength of babush. Number 7. October Mist. The lightest shade of green. October Mist is a subtle gray-green that works well as a foundation for an earthy color scheme. This tint, like breakfast room green, promotes a return to nature and is simple to incorporate into your house. October Mist pairs beautifully with soft, nature-inspired tones like pale sky blues, burnt earth reds, and chalky whites in a farmhouse environment. October Mist is paired with darker fern greens for an especially relaxing color scheme. If you like this kind of topic, you can add this channel to your subscription to learn more about interior design ideas. Thank you for watching.